After years of teaching at my own music school, I discovered that adults have different learning needs than youngsters. Because of this, I created the Beginner's Journey, a step-by-step system for adult beginners. You'll start with the basics. I found many of the difficulties that adult learners encounter come from a faulty foundation. We're excited to learn that cool song or lick, but unfortunately it can lead to poor technique and frustration down the road. To solve that, I start off with simple chords that allow you to learn accurate finger placement and change in a relaxed way. In the second adventure, you'll continue developing your technique while learning the most common form of reading guitar notes, guitar tablature, and this will pay dividends in future lessons. In the third, fourth, and fifth adventures, you'll learn full chords and the techniques for changing easily and smoothly. You'll enjoy practicing your new skills with the band. I've developed a unique set of play-along tracks just for this course. You'll have a lot of fun with this. We put it all together in the sixth adventure, along with refining the most important aspect of sounding good on the guitar. That's strumming and rhythm. Throughout the course, I sprinkle in the right amount of music theory to make it useful. This also provides a foundation for more advanced lessons in the future. Whenever you have questions or need additional guidance, you'll receive quick and encouraging feedback from either myself or my support team. The Beginner's Journey is one of many courses that are included in my Real Guitar Success membership. When you enroll, you'll have complete access to all the courses and features. This is my way of making sure you have the resources to be successful in your guitar learning adventure. Get started now for free by clicking one of the Start My Free Trial buttons below. I'll see you on the inside.